We burned a lot of candles and we have elf mail. And if you want to see both of those, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. The Santa Maria here. And as always, yes, we have yet another weekly candle post burn review because I know you all enjoy these and y'all are like, girl, you need to start doing these more frequently. And I listen, and here we are. I have 6 candles to discuss with you all. Let's see here, 2 brands, Homeworx and Bath & Body Works in this episode. And we also have elf mail this time, which is very, very exciting because it combines 2 of my favorite things on the channel, which y'all know this elves, which is fragrance and of course candles. So we're gonna get into it. Quick thing first, as always, everyone, lipstick of the day. Check it out. Let me know what you think. This is MAC Flat Out Fabulous, darling, which is a beautiful magenta style pink. It's a true matte. It's a retro matte formula to be exact. It'll be linked below as always because I know y'all like these things as well as everything else that's on my face. I do include that in my description box so you don't have to worry. I know people ask questions about that. Just check the box first. That's all I ask. Next up we have fragrance of the day. I went with something very springy but that still has a kick with it. So I went with Bond No. 9's Madison Avenue, you all. I already have a full dedicated review of this fragrance up on the channel. I'll link it up top so you can definitely check it out. But if you like a good green apple note, you will like this one. Bond No. 9's Madison Avenue is again your fragrance of the day. And now let's get into the elf mail. Very excited to receive this package because it was completely unexpected, you all. Talk about wow. I got a notification that I had a package. I was like, wait, I'm not expecting anything. But alas, it was from one of you all, the elves, and it was from one of my elves that sent me something before, Elf Camille. Thank you, I appreciate that. It's a birthday gift, and inside of the box, because here we have it here, she sent me a lovely candle. This is from Juicy Couture, which I didn't know Juicy Couture even had candles, and this is called Blossom Heiress. Check that out. So thank you again, Camille. I appreciate it. It has notes of juicy plum, elderflower, lavender blossom, and cashmere. So I will be checking this one out. Thank you. In addition to the candle, she also sent me some fragrances, which y'all know I love my fragrances. And this is one that has definitely been on my wish list. I've been intrigued by. She sent me a decant of Killian's Rolling in Love. Oh, y'all know I love me some Killian. And just for reference, Killian's Rolling in Love, give you all the notes because I know you all ask about notes a lot. So we have you all key notes of almond milk, iris, and musk. It's considered one of their white floral scents, and yeah, it's good. It's really, really good. I will be wearing this and I will be giving a update on this fragrance. As you all know, I do that on the channel. But yes, Killian's Rolling in Love. Very happy to have a decant of. The next fragrance that she also sent me a lovely decant of, and these are some nice size amounts so that I can really bathe in this and get my whole entire life. The next fragrance we have is Tom Ford Soleil Neige, which I'm very happy about because I do own Tom Ford Soleil Blanc and I've done a full review on that one and I love it. That one, Soleil Blanc, is a summertime staple. I can't wait to pull it back out, by the way. But this is the Neige one. It's his sister. So keynotes in Soleil Neige are, we have bergamot, carrot seed, and jasmine flower. So this is meant to be a sun snow. So this is supposed to be a cooler take on the line. This definitely fits into the clean fragrances in my opinion. It's very powdery, it's very fresh in my opinion. For those that are into clean girl aesthetic type of fragrances in my opinion, Soleil Neige definitely fits into that category. So yeah, I can't wait to play in this some more and I will be giving my updated thoughts in a later video. Again, thank you to Elf Camille for sending me these lovely goodies because yeah, these are fragrances I do not own and fragrances I want to play in, as well as the beautiful candle. Thank you. As always, when it comes to the weekly candle post burn review, I rate candles by what? 3 categories. The first category is burn experience, and that is literally how did this candle perform? How did it burn? Did it tunnel? Did the wicks drown? We talk about it there. Second is throw, and that is on a scale of 1 to 10, with 1 being scentless wax to 10 being a powerhouse candle. I need to open a window, blow you out so I can breathe. Third and final category is simply, would I repurchase this candle again? And that is a yes or no answer. So now you know how we do things here, and let's get into these candles. First candle we're going to discuss, this was like my most recent finished burn candle. This is the Somebody Loves You from Bath & Body Works. Of course, this is an Easter 2023 candle from that collection. So of course I started burning it Easter weekend. So we have notes for the sweet carrot cake. You all, Somebody Loves You, that's what it is, sweet carrot cake. We have sweet cream cheese frosting, fluffy carrot cake, and cinnamon spice. So let me tell you something. This year's edition made up for last year's edition. This year was a yes. It's a yes. So spoiler alert, I was here for it. Let's talk about this burn experience. Look at that. No issues to report. A clean burn all the way down. We like that. Throw on this one, filled the whole house. It was a 10. Solid powerhouse of a candle. It was a 10 and it made me so happy. More importantly, it made the head elf happy because he loves carrot cake. And that's really why I bought it, was for him. And he was like, oh, that smells divine. So it passed his smell test, so I'm good. And it passed my test too, of course. That's what we do here. We rate candles. And of course, y'all can guess the answer. Would I repurchase the sweet carrot cake Somebody Loves You? Would I repurchase this one again? Yes, because it was fabulous. I just want them to keep this strength up for next year. So definitely bring this one back, Bath & Body Works. Somebody Loves You Sweet Carrot Cake. Next up, we have from Bath & Body Works, this is the Caramel Pumpkin Swirl Candle. This one was a fall scent. This is one that's very consistent. This is a candle, you want it to burn and throw and do its thing, it does that. But let's get into it. Burn experience, flawless victory again. Check that out, even with the colored wax. Something I've noticed about this candle, each year I burn this one, it always has a colored wax, and this one pulls out fast and it burns hot, and it burns like the flames are hot. So that's something to know about Caramel Pumpkin Swirl. That's been like a trend now for 3 years in my opinion. Elves, let me know what you think about this candle in the comments below. So throw on a scale of 1 to 10. This one performs consistently. I give it a solid 8 because it just smelled like sticky caramel goodness in the air, and I was like, woo. I gotta hurry up and burn this now because it was still cooler at the time, cooler side of spring before we started hitting 75, 80 degrees, because it would have been too much, because this is syrupy sweet. It is. But I like it. I do enjoy it. Last category, would I repurchase this candle again? Yes, I would, because this is a very, very consistent candle and I like consistency. So Caramel Pumpkin Swirl from Bath & Body Works, we enjoyed you. Next candle we have is from homeworx, you all, and this is the Pink Lemon Shortbread candle. Check that out. This is one of the 4 wicks. And ooh, let's talk about it, because yeah, burn experience is interesting. Notes though, let's get into the notes first. Notes are pink lemon, vanilla shortbread, sugared citron, and buttercream swirl. So this was absolutely a foodie gourmand scent. Bakery lovers, this was right up your alley. But let's talk about this burn experience. Sooty, it got dirty there, it got messy. So not my favorite of the candles, as y'all can see. Oh, gotta keep it 100. Next up, we have throw on a scale of 1 to 10. Throw on this one, you all. I definitely could smell it. It wasn't the loudest candle. I give it a 7. It was a solid 7 of a candle, so it was cute, but it didn't blow my mind. Next up, last category, would I repurchase Pink Lemon Shortbread again? For me, it was okay. But it definitely smells like the Girl Scout cookies, the lemon bread, the lemon drops. I'm not sure what the name, they change the names every year. Girl Scouts, former Girl Scouts, or Girl Scout moms, aunties, troop leaders, let me know, what's the lemon cookie called this year? Please let me know. I'm an old school Girl Scout and I don't know anymore. But yes, this smells like a Girl Scout cookie, so that's why I do like it. So for that reason, yes, I would repurchase it again because it brings back a good memories of childhood. It definitely does. So Pink Lemon Shortbread. Yes, Pink Lemon Shortbread. I had to read it there. Next candle we have is from Bath & Body Works, and this was from their special, this is from the special feature candle they call this. This was the Poppy candle. Poppy, let's talk about you. We have fresh morning dew, wild poppies, and sugared rhubarb with juicy pear. This is one of those I normally don't like check for the special candles because I'm like, it's gonna smell like body care and keep moving. But this was a body care I could get behind because of that juicy pear and the melon in here. It was yes. This was a yes. The scent, I was like, I'm here for this. And Poppy went away. Next thing I looked up, it was gone. So anywho, burn experience, you all. I can't complain. It did its thing. It did its thing. Flawless victory there. Throw on a scale of 1 to 10. It was a 7. It was above average, but it wasn't the loudest in the room. Now, would I repurchase this one again? I would. I enjoyed Poppy. In fact, I went back for more Poppy and it was gone. I couldn't get it anymore in my area. So this is one that, say if I was to find it again at a SAS, I would pick it up. I actually would. So yes, Bath & Body Works Poppy was good. All in all, we're having a good week of candles here, y'all. I'm just saying. Next up, we have, this is a single wick candle from Bath & Body Works, and this is whipped coffee. I had almost forgot about whipped coffee, then I like dug to the back of my candle nook and I said, I need to burn you. Yeah, I'm gonna burn you. So do we have notes on this one? No, this was back during the era when they took the notes off of the candle, so I don't have any notes to share. But for reference, I'll tell you what it does give me. This is the extra sweet, like sweet cream type of coffee. This isn't people that drink black coffee. If you're a black coffee drinker, you're not gonna like this because this just smells like straight up sugar, but with a little bit of coffee in it. It's what it is. But yes, burn experience did its thing. Not dirty, not mucky, so I like that. No issues there. A good burning experience. Throw on a scale of 1 to 10. Coffee candles usually perform, and this one was no exception. This one was an 8, even to be a single wick. It was a solid 8. I'm here for it. Would I repurchase whipped coffee again? I'm more of a Paris Cafe girl, so for me, I'm good on whipped coffee. I don't need more of it. I'd rather just get Paris Cafe where I know it's gonna smell like the coffee that I drink. I like to make my coffee with a coffee pot, so I like real coffee. Els, let me know, how do you like your coffee? Are you more of a craft person? Are you a dark coffee person? Let me know in the comments below. Last candle, everyone. This one, phenomenal, phenomenal. Shout out to Elf Riley for sending me this one because I enjoyed it and it was a hit in the house. Thank you. So we have Farmstand Blueberry from Homeworx. This was a total winner. We was burning this one in the morning and a yes, just yes. Okay, burn experience, check that out. No issues, no issues, no issues. It didn't get a little sooty until really at the end, so I can't really count that. But by the way, I didn't read the notes. So we have for Farmstand Blueberry Homeworx, we have notes are blueberry, blackberry, almond sugar, and vanilla. Let me tell you, this is truly a blueberry scent. Like blueberry, if you've been looking for a blueberry candle, the Farmstand Blueberry is yes. It's a yes, it's a yes. Throw on a scale of 1 to 10, this was a 10. It smelled like a whole blueberry patch in my house. That's what it was giving. But it was a pleasant blueberry patch and I'm okay with that. Head up, he enjoyed it. So hey, it didn't overpower him. We were good with it. Would I repurchase Farmstand Blueberry? Yes, I would. In fact, you all know I have purchased this candle before and reviewed it. So you know I do enjoy this candle. So I was happy to have it again in my life. And I'm glad I have another one that I will be burning. So you're going to see Farmstand Blueberry again here on the channel. So absolutely yes. This candle is a phenomenal candle and I like it. All right, everyone, that wraps up this edition of Weekly Candle Post Burn Reviews. Again, special thanks to Elf Camille for sending me over a lovely care package. I appreciate that. Let me know what you think about the candles I discussed this week. Let me know what candles you finished burning. What are we feeling? Are we still enjoying our spring candles? Are we ready for summer? Talk to me in the comments below. As always, if you're digging me, subscribe to the channel. If you're here for the content, hit that thumbs up button. If you're not here for any of this, then I guess you just don't like candles, and that's okay. But until next time, elves, I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.